What's the meaning of catalog? Catalogue. Catalogue.
Catalogue. Catalogue. A catalog is a comprehensive list or inventory of items, products, or services that are available for purchase or reference. It is typically organized in a systematic manner, with each item listed alongside descriptions, specifications, and prices. Catalogs may be printed on paper, or they can be digital, accessible through online platforms. Catalogs are used by individuals, businesses, and organizations to showcase and promote their offerings to potential customers or clients. They are essential tools for marketing, advertising, and sales, providing a convenient way for consumers to browse and compare options before making a purchase decision.